Hi everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. We are on the way to a hiking trail. I like to call this a flat hike, which is a little bit of an oxymoron, but you'll see when we get there that the trail is actually flat. There are no hills, and it will lead us to the end of what's called Pacific Coast Highway and the beach. This is Nari behind us, and she's a little nervous in the car, but once we're there, she'll be totally fine. We are headed to an area called Pacific Palisades, known for beautiful homes and really nice neighborhoods. In my last video, I was on Sunset Boulevard, but in Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and Westwood area. We are currently on Sunset Boulevard, but in the Pacific Palisades, and I'm going to take you through some of the residential streets. We just went over a speed bump. This is a Spanish style house. I like how all of the styles of houses are different. I believe we just ran a stop sign. I apologize for the bumpy ride. There are many speed bumps in this residential area, so that way we would drive slowly. Our map got us lost. So what we're doing is we are driving around the park, basically wrapping around it until we find the entrance. I want to quickly show you the map. The blue space on the right is the Pacific Ocean. So we are on the very edge of the West Coast. Look what we found. Okay, we finally found the entrance, and we're heading into the playground area as well as the flat hike area. We've just entered the park. This sign reads Habitat Restoration Area. No entry allowed. Pets must be on leash. You're scruffy. So cute. So fluffy. Yeah. She's like a bear. I really like this house that possibly has a tree in the middle of their large patio. There's several trees actually. There is a lot of mud. I'm not sure where it's coming from. My husband is carrying Nari down, and I'm going to carefully walk along the edge of these flowers. We are at the end of the trailhead, and I think the view is pretty nice. It's a little bit windy, so I think it's actually great weather to bring out your sailboat. This is the Pacific Coast Highway, and if you drive this all the way up, it takes you up to San Francisco and beyond. We also call this the One. Hello. Have you ever been to Los Angeles and seen the beaches? Nari has a cute shadow. This is a hidden gem. How much do you think that house will be worth after it's built? Comment below. We are heading back to our car. These little yellow flowers have many petals. Nari is enjoying the sunlight and breeze hitting her face. Hello. Ah, so cute. Now we're heading towards the grassy area. We're at the end of our hike. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your likes. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any ideas for my next video, feel free to comment below. Thank you. I've never seen a caterpillar in California. I think it's as big as my thumb. Does anyone have these bugs in their backyard? Where I'm from, we call these roly-polies or potato bugs.